Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can enable parallel downloading for your Google Chrome. If you don't know what parallel downloading is, then it is a special feature in Google Chrome that makes maximum use of your internet bandwidth, which offers you a faster download speed. This is a very special feature, especially if you are facing any issues regarding to the download speed or you are not getting the full potential of your bandwidth speed. So, let's see how to enable it. First, let's open our Google Chrome. Now, one thing to note is that it is not available in the regular settings. To enable parallel downloading, all you need to do is access the Google Chrome or the Chrome flags. So, to access Chrome flags, simply go to the search area or the search bar and type Chrome and flags like this. And once you do, simply press the enter key. Once you land on this particular page, go to the search bar and type parallel downloading, and here you can see that the prompt has appeared. This is the parallel downloading prompt. It enables parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, and it works the same on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Lacrosse, and etc. Now, to enable it, simply click on this drop down arrow, and from here choose the enable button. Once you do, it will ask for a quick restart prompt. All you need to do is simply click on the relaunch button. Once you do, your Chrome will get relaunched, and now it has enabled parallel downloading, and now you can enjoy faster download speeds. Do let us know in the comments if it worked for you. Also, hit the like button if you liked and enjoyed watching this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.